1995 Ford F350 XLT, single wheel, crew cab, long bed, 7.3 liter, power stroke turbo diesel, manual transmission, cloth bench seats. Solid axle in the front and the back. Got track bars. Got your gooseneck hook up in the rear. Running driving truck. Aftermarket intercooler. Aftermarket air intake. .315/75 R16 rubber. Lockable hubs in the front. Show y'all a little bit of the interior. Four-wheel drive on the floor. Power locks, power windows. 187 on the miles. Aftermarket gauges. SESbid.com. We have an auction the third Thursday of every single month, y'all. If you want to come check this truck out, 13601 Highway 45 North Finger, Tennessee. That's where it is located. Thank y'all for watching our video.